I am Rhea May S. Morales, and today we're diving into school-level factors, the foundational elements that schools can directly influence to shape student learning and well-being. Think of these factors as the architecture of education. They create the structure in which teaching and learning happen. Let's explore two core pillars, which are the physical environment or resources and safety or climate. Understanding these help us see how schools can either empower or limit student potential. Let's start with the physical environment. This includes everything tangible in a school, like classrooms, furniture, technology, labs, and even basics like lighting, temperature, and clean water. Here's why this matters. First is the functionality. A well-maintained space removes physical barriers to learning. For instance, proper lighting reduces eye strain, and functional desks allow students to focus on work instead of discomfort. Second is that resource equity. Access to tools like textbooks, computers, or science equipment ensures all students can engage with the curriculum. Without this, gaps emerge between those who have support outside school and those who don't. And last, which is the technological integration. So, technology isn't just about gadgets. It's about bridging abstract concepts to real-world applications. So, digital tools can democratize access to advanced learning like virtual labs for school lacking physical equipment. In short, the physical environment sets the stage. It's not just about having resources, it's about how those resources create equity, accessibility, and engagement. Did you understand? Alright, so number two is all about safety and school climate. This isn't just about physical safety, it's about fostering an environment where students feel emotionally secure, no, respected, and valued. Here's the breakdown. First is that emotional safety. Students thrive when they feel safe to take risks, like raising a hand to ask a question or sharing a creative idea. Fear of judgment or ridicule stifles participation and creativity. Second reason is the social dynamics. A positive climate addresses bullying and promotes healthy peer relationships. When students trust their peers and teachers, classrooms transform into communities of collaboration rather than competition. And third is the cultural inclusivity. Schools that actively celebrate diversity and model respect help students see themselves as valued members of the community. This includes policies that protect marginalized groups and curricula that reflect diverse voices. Ultimately, school climate is the emotional atmosphere. It determines whether students enter the building with enthusiasm or anxiety. Now that we've explored the what and why of these foundational factors, let's discuss how they intersect with teaching practices and leadership. After all, even the best resources and policies need intentional implementation to make an impact. To wrap up, school-level factors are the invisible forces shaping every student's journey. The physical environment determines what student can access, the climate determines how they feel while assessing it. Together, they create a ecosystem where learning isn't just possible, it's joyful and equitable. As educators, we're not just teachers, but we're architects. We have the power to design schools that don't just transmit knowledge, but nurture confidence, curiosity, and courage. Let's build spaces where every student can say, I belong here and I can thrive. That's all. I hope that you understand. And now, let's listen for Clary Avellino for more. Thank you.